Nafisa.
I'm Hannah, that you've all been waiting for.
And today we are doing eating one colored food for 24 hours challenge. And we've got a mystery box not mystery box. Okay, we've got a box right there that we have to choose our colored food out of. Okay, who wants to go first? Scissors, paper, rock. You two go first. Scissors, paper, rock.
Rock, paper, scissors.
This reminds me of
Rock, paper.
Go.
Rock.
Okay, I'm just gonna do rock. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, wait.
Okay, then who won? You won. So you have to verse me now.
Okay.
And
Wait, no, what do I?
go, quick. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Don't use scissors. Okay, Hamza, go. Choose it. Choose out of the box.
Where are they?
Please get green. Not green.
Okay, and then you choose what?
Oh, green.
Damn! Ew, green's disgusting. You're gonna have to eat vegetables. Oof.
Yeah, I'm not eating vegetables. I'm just gonna
I
get.
have a pick for Hamza.
No, no one's picking for anybody. Everyone's picking their own food.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's another challenge.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a green.
Okay,
I'm gonna
I'm
get a
gonna
green
open
left.
mine. What did I get? Red. Oh my god, red. What can I eat that's red?
Chocolates and stuff.
Chocolates are not red.
Get the red Hershey's.
Oh.
Don't worry.
I got yellow.
Woo! I think Hanan's the best. Bananas. I love moss. You know you gotta eat moss.
I'm not eating vegetables.
Somalians, they eat moss every single day. Lunch,
Moss
breakfast,
is life.
breakfast, whatever. Breakfast,
So you're
lunch,
telling me I can't have moss? Wow. I'm gonna paint my moss
And
red.
we'll see you all in the store.
Okay.
Happy.
Shop ko Imane. We are at the shops now.
Rainbow. Oh, you're so lucky.
Hamza Hanan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's some strawberries. Yes. Oh my gosh, do they look good? Are they good strawberries? That's a fat one. Look how big that one. Ooh, look how big that one is. Yep. Sorry. Hanan got up and go. Wow, I see. But look, that's vanilla. That's vanilla flavor. You're not allowed vanilla. You need to get banana. Banana's around there.
Look what I found. Some green gelato.
Yeah.
Guys. So guys, I could get Skittles and I could just pick all the yellow ones out. I could pick all the yellow ones out. Yeah, that count. I could pick all the yellow ones out. Yeah. So guys, I have a plan. There are chips my color. Look, those guys.
Ooh, yellow sherbet.
Guys, I
Get yours. You should get yours.
I could.
Yeah, look at my trolley. This is what I have so far.
Guys, look.
That's green
No.
for Hamza.
Green. What's green?
What was over there?
Look, yellow.
Ooh, red.
Go inside.
Yellow. And then he got green.
No cash.
Okay, guys, we're eating breakfast right now. I have some watermelon. Ooh, my bad.
That's mine.
I have some watermelon, some strawberries, and capsicum, bell pepper.
And a cranberry drink.
And we have the cranberry juice.
I have Mountain Dew, grapes, bell pepper, and thing.
Yeah, so he's got grapes, pears, and green bell pepper, and Mountain Dew. For breakfast, how nice is that? And corn, yellow bell pepper, and bananas for Hannah. And
I think you guys already know. What does even happen there?
And this.
And
You guys
then
missed this.
oh yeah,
protein.
this is so good, so healthy. I think mine looks the best.
It
Who do you
is.
think has the best food?
The video.
Mine.
I think Hamza has the best one because he got the Pringles.
You got
And grain waves, and aloe vera.
Drink up.
What's aloe vera?
No, I'm talking to you.
So that's that for breakfast, and we'll see you at lunch.
First thing you eat your drinks. I had some of my Mountain Dew.
Oh, okay, guys. So for lunch we're having some noodles. I have the mee goreng fried noodles. Hamza has the chicken flavored instant noodles, and Hanan has the Maggi Oriental flavored noodles. Yeah, so that's yellow as well. So, ooh, this is so hot. Look how hot it is.
It looks hot. It looks hot, but it isn't.
Look how hot it is.
And
Can you feel the atmosphere? Oh yeah, I'm having the V8 apple and cranberry juice, sweet potato and purple carrot. What the heck is purple carrot? Have you seen purple carrots before? I haven't. Hamza's having the healthy greens, apple, yellow carrot. God, where are they getting these carrots from? Spinach and kale. Okay.
they probably dyed the
And
carrot.
Hanan is having some a sweet alternative.
Ha! I burnt my neck.
Hanan, what drink are you having? Hanan, are you having the pineapple?
Yep.
Yeah, Hanan's having this pineapple golden circle drink.
Yeah.
And yeah, good luck chugging that whole bottle.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's dinner time now.
Yeah.
Hamza, what did you get? Explain yourself.
This is from water.
What water? This is water.
Water with chunks.
No, it's called Aloe Crush.
What?
It's called Aloe Crush.
I thought it was called aloe.
Nafisa, you could have this. Look.
Yeah, no, that's not red.
X.
That's pink.
Pink.
But anyways, yeah, so that's, and he's also having this, because we ate so much food today, we're so full, we're just eating like sweet stuff for dinner.
Yeah.
And Hamza has Pringles here that he wants to finish off. Hanan has cheese too.
I want some of that. I
And
want
some
some of that.
sherbet candy.
Sherbet candy.
And her drinks, which are over there. And I have my packet of Doritos. that I haven't
Upside
finished.
down.
Yes, upside down. Whoever hates people that open chips upside down, I love you. Okay. And Pringles. And my cranberry juice I have not finished.
Eat it. Can't eat it.
And Skittles.
Hands out. Here, one mine.
No.
You lost the challenge.
I'm not supposed to know. I did not know that. No, I did not know that.
Let's give it one more.
Okay, one more chance. If you eat somebody else's color, you lose the challenge.
I actually didn't know that.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we are eating.
Yeah,